Well, hey guys, welcome back to the channel again. We've been on the property now. Next week will be 8 months. And finally the day has came. Our tiny house. 16 by 40. And it came from Paducah, Kentucky. They've got about 3 guys that's going to set this thing up today for us, and we are excited. Now you'll notice there's no windows in this house. That's because I ordered it special without any windows. Just the door on the back. That'll be the back door there. And we'll have it to a 2-bedroom, 2-bath with a small living area in the middle. Now I do my walk around here to make sure there's no damage and everything looks really good. I mean, it just looks like it's supposed to. And I open the door and I look inside, and sure enough, the extra blocks, the Tyvek wrap on the walls, and the insulated floor, everything's done, looks good, and I see no problem. So we're getting around here, sitting around. These gentlemen are talking to me that are setting the house up, and I look through the door and look at the ceiling and notice something. This is not the ceiling style that I ordered. I ordered a partially vaulted ceiling, and that's a problem, guys, because these are trusses that are made and engineered for this roof, and they cannot be altered. So that was a disappointment. These guys drove 7 hours, and this is what I was supposed to get, a ceiling like this. So after probably 40 minutes of discussion, I told them I didn't want the house. So they're taking it back. They're going to build me a new one, and let's hope it doesn't take another 6 weeks. Thanks for watching, guys.